Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, viewers. Let's solve this equation. We have to find the value of x while considering this is the equation in which 3 is raised to power x. X is unknown, right? We have to find it. And minus 2 raised to power x. This whole is power 2, means it's square. So this is the left side of the equation. The right side of the equation is 6 raised to power x. X is to be found. Okay. So let's take this equation into x and then try to apply our Excel functionalities on it to solve it, right? So what we do is hold down Shift and window sign and S. So this will let us select this thing and we take it to Excel. This is our Excel. And here we paste it. Okay, fair enough. And here what we do is we make it its size appropriate so that, mm, well, mm, all we have to consider is that it should cover at least 4 or 5 columns. Right. Okay, so let's move it like this, and this is yours. I'm making sure that it is uh, uh, within the row number, answer row, that is row number 117. So the start of this image should be the same row, right? Okay. So this will help you to figure out the image object of this problem so that it is posted rightly into the database. Okay. So here is our mechanism we have. We are using the same thing which we used, excuse me, which we used in our previous video. So this is the place where we have x. Let's put 2 in here. Okay, and here we have the formula, which is the Excel way of doing this. Stage 1 is the left side of the equation, and in which we first of all take the 3 raised to power x. This is where we do this. 3 raised to power x. Okay, C119 is x. And 2 raised to power x is this. Between both of them is a minus sign. So this is it. Now this whole thing is to be powered raised to power 2. Okay. So this is the left side of the 25. Very much near. Okay. Okay. And the right side of the equation is 6 raised to power x, right? 6 raised to power x, as you can see. Okay. Now we click on this to get the answer, and it is telling you that 2.366 is the answer. How it has worked out. So let's go to the macro And here we have used the same um, algorithm which we used in our previous video, a bit of enhancement done. That is the maximum attempt. We use 10 and adjustment factor, that is 0.001. Sometime we may have to increase or decrease it to get the appropriate answer. Okay, so these are the, otherwise the program will be without any hard coding. These all are free of any hard coding, right? The same thing which we did in our previous, only we have made a variable for, we have created a variable for adjustment wherever we are adding something like this. In the negative, we are deducting this adjustment factor, right? Whereas you in the positive, we are adding it. Okay. So and we our startup is also the adjustment factor, right? That is the X row, right? It starts with whatever the adjustment factor you see. So it just starts with that and keep on adding it, and until it reaches to the one in here. As soon as this become one, the answer is achieved, right? So this is the answer. Yeah. If you remove this x value and click generate, so it will take you to the right answer. 2.366. Okay. So let's update our database. So it is now going to take you to the where to the sheet. Yeah, this is your database, which is going to be updated, and you can click proceed. As you can see, the answer was 2.37, right? Properly rounded, and system has chosen choice number 3 to be allocated as the right answer. Otherwise, all the rest of the answers are wrong. Okay, and then you can go to the quiz. Click on double click in here, double click on here, and you will get the the question displayed in here. And 2.37, the choice number 3 is the right answer. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching.